Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Binding price floors flip this bicycle market question fast, so watch this. One idea about minimum prices tells you exactly what happens to actual purchases. A binding price floor means the government sets the price above equilibrium, so sellers must charge more than the market clearing price, and that instantly prevents the market from reaching equilibrium naturally. That higher required price changes behavior in the usual direction. Producers want to sell more, but consumers want to buy less, so quantity demanded falls while excess supply shows up. Since transactions happen at the smaller quantity demanded, the number of bicycles actually purchased decreases, and that matches option C cleanly. Well done. Option C, scan now. Don't rush signs or wording. Trust what's given and check each step, because binding floors cut quantity purchased.